Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department. Myself, Dr. M.T. Bushair, presenting daily weather briefing. First, let's look into the today's highlights. So, the yesterday's deep depression over the southwest Bay of Bengal now intensified into the cyclonic storm Mandos. Under the influence of this cyclonic system, heavy to very heavy rainfall is expecting over North Tamil Nadu, South Coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Rayalaseema during 8 to 10 December. And we are expecting isolated extremely rainfall over North Tamil Nadu on 9th December 2022, that is on tomorrow. Weather observed during past 24 hours. So the minimum temperature was in the range of 7 to 10 degrees Celsius over many parts of the plains of northwest and adjoining central India, which was normal over northern parts of the country. And light to moderate rainfall is observed from Andaman Nicobar Island and Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Coming to the synoptic system that observed today's morning. So last few days, IMD was continuously monitoring a system over the Bay of Bengal. Yesterday, the system was a deep depression over southwest Bay of Bengal. By yesterday night, this system intensified into a cyclonic storm, Mandos. Now it is ascended over the southwest Bay of Bengal. Under the influence of this system, heavy to very heavy rainfall we are expecting over the North Tamil Nadu, South Coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Rayalaseema from 8th to 10th December. Today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. And we are expecting extremely heavy rainfall on tomorrow over North Tamil Nadu region. So public and different agencies are requested to take necessary precautions under the upcoming system. Another system we observed today morning is a western disturbance in the mid-tropospheric levels. Now it lies at 65 degree east and 30 degree north. Under the influence of this system, we are expecting light to moderate rainfall or snowfall over the Himachal Pradesh and the Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh region. So as I mentioned, the deep depression now intensified into Mandos cyclonic circulation. As of today morning, it is ascended over the southwest Bay of Bengal near the latitude of 9.5 and a longitude of 83.8 degree east, which is 300 kilometer away from the Trincomalee and 420 kilometer away from the Jaffna and 460 kilometer away from Karaikal and about 550 kilometer away from the Chennai. It is very likely to move northwestwards and cross North Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and adjoining South Andhra Pradesh coast between Puducherry and Sriharikota, with a maximum sustained wind speed of 65 to 75, gusting to 85 km per hour around the midnight of 9th December 2022. So this is the track of the system, and the cone of uncertainty also provided here. So which will maintain the intensity of cyclonic storm in the upcoming hours. So here the wind distribution is also given here. So the shaded area is showing, a wind speed of 34 to 49, and this area is showing a wind speed up to 33 knot. So under the influence of the cyclonic circulations, so the weather warning is given. So on 8th December, that is on today, light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy rainfall, isolated places over coastal Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal, and isolated heavy rainfall over adjoining area of coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema. For tomorrow, light to moderate rainfall at most places with a heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places, and extremely very heavy rainfall at isolated places, very likely over north coastal Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and isolated very heavy to very heavy rainfall over adjoining south coastal Andhra Pradesh near and north interior Tamil Nadu and Rayalaseema. Heavy rainfall at isolated places over south interior Karnataka, Kerala, and Mahi. And day after tomorrow, that is on 10th December, it is likely to reduce to light to moderate rainfall at most places with a heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places likely over North Tamil Nadu and Rayalaseema, and heavy rainfall at isolated places over South Interior Karnataka, Kerala, and South Coastal Andhra Pradesh. And 11th December, light to moderate rainfall at most places with a heavy rainfall at isolated places, very likely over South Interior Karnataka. So the wind warning is also given. Over southwest Bay of Bengal, gale wind speeding reaching to 75 to 85, gusting to 95 km per hour prevailing over southwest Bay of Bengal. It would further increase to 80 to 90 km per hour, gusting to 100 km per hour over the same region during 8th noon to 8th night. It would decrease thereafter gradually, becoming 75 to 85 km per hour, gusting to 95 over the same region from 9th morning and 70 to 80 km per hour, gusting to 90 km per hour from 9th December evening. And over the coastal regions of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, South Andhra Pradesh, and North Sri Lanka coast. Squally wind speeding reaching to 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour. Likely to commence along and off Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, South Andhra Pradesh, and North Sri Lanka coast from 8th December afternoon, becoming to 50-60, gusting to 70 km per hour 9th December morning, and 65 to 75, gusting to 85 km per hour from 9th December evening to early hours of 10th December. It is likely to reduce gradually thereafter, becoming 55 to 65, gusting to 75 km per hour by the morning of 10th December, and then to 30 to 40 kmph, gusting to 50 kmph by 10th December night. Over Gulf of Mannar, squally wind speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph, likely over Gulf of Mannar from 8th December evening, becoming 50 to 60, gusting to 70 kmph from 9th December evening to early hours of 10th December, and 40 to 50 to gusting to 60 kmph by 10th December morning. Southeast Bay of Bengal, squally wind speed reaching 40 to 45, gusting to 55 kmph is likely to prevail over Southeast Bay of Bengal on 8th December. Sea condition likely to be high over Southwest Bay of Bengal and rough to very rough over adjoining area of West Central and Southeast Bay of Bengal till early hours of 10th December and improve gradually thereafter. Sea condition likely to be rough to very rough along of South Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Sri Lanka coast on 8th to 10th and high on 9th December. So, fisherman warning: fishermen are advised not to venture into Southeast Bay of Bengal on 8th December, Southwest Bay of Bengal during 8th to 10th December, along and off Sri Lanka coast during 8th to 9th December, along and off Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, South Andhra Pradesh coast and Gulf of Mannar during 8th to 10th December. So this is the graphical representation of the warnings. So over the shaded region, today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow, fishermen are not advised to do venture. As I mentioned, a western disturbance as a trough is seen at 65 degree east and 30 degree north, light to moderate, isolated to scattered rainfall or snowfall very likely over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh during 8th to 10th December. Temperature forecast: no significant change in the minimum temperature, very likely over East India during next 24 hours. So no significant change in minimum temperature, very likely over East India during next 24 hours and rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius thereafter, up to 4 days. Minimum temperature are very likely to rise gradually by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over central India and Maharashtra during 4 to 5 days. No significant change in the minimum temperature likely over Gujarat state during next 3 days and rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during subsequent 2 days. No significant change in minimum temperature likely over rest parts of the country during next 4 to 5 days. We are expecting dense fog at isolated pockets over Punjab during morning hours of 9th to 13th and over Haryana from 10th to 13th December 2022. Shallow to moderate fog likely at isolated pockets over Assam, Meghalaya, and NMMT during next 2 days. Okay, coming to the weather warning for next 5 days. As I mentioned, Under the influence of the cyclonic storm, cyclonic storm, yellow warning is orange warning is issued for Tamil Nadu for today, and for tomorrow red warning, and after tomorrow orange warning. Similarly, warning is issued for coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. Orange warning is issued for Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh tomorrow, and day after tomorrow over the Rayalaseema and also over Tamil Nadu. For Kerala, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, heavy rainfall warning is issued. So fog warning is issued for Punjab for today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, and over Haryana on day after tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So thunderstorm warning is issued for entire southern peninsular India on 11th December and 12th December. IMD's forecast and warning is also available on the social media platforms and IMD's websites. Thank you.